Quo Vadis, Quo Vadis. Numbers are dancing on the screen. You are running to the finish line, but you cannot bargain with time. Why are you so busy in this race? You will die anyway, so why the rush? Quo Vadis, where are you headed? Soul of mine, to what end do you run so fast? Every breath is meant to be the last. Birth, age and pain are natural. No golden herb can stop the clock. Even a cyborg heart will stop one day. The end is the only thing that is clear. Accept the end and be free. The sunset is the completion of day. Stop and look at where you are. Quo Vadis, to what end? Just let it be. Quo Vadis.